Hello, my name is Xinrui Chen and my net ID is XC856. This is question 2 for homework 10. The question is that from the lecture notes, page 1 to 50, collect the definition of the properties of the stochastic processes. The first one is the White-Sands stationary process. The definition is listed here. One stochastic process is called WSS process if its mean is a constant and autocorrelation is a function of time difference. WSS only use mean and autocorrelation, and in the practice, they are much easier to get than the second order density. Based on the mean and the autocorrelation function, we can do many things. We can do the state estimation, parameter estimation, and projection in mean square sense. The autocorrelation function for T1 equals to T2, for example, is the average power of the signal at T1. We see that when the input is WSS process, the output of a stable LTI system is also WSS. The question 2 is independent increment process. It means that xt1 minus xt2 and xt3 minus xt4 on non-overlapping intervals are independent. We have seen so far we have seen that the Poisson process, random walk, and linear process are independent increments process. Question 3 is about the Markov process. The Markov process is if the past has no influence on the future when the present is known. The Poisson process, Poisson impulses, semi-random telegraph, random walk, and linear process are all Markov process. Question 4 is normal process. A process is said to be normal if the random variables xt1, xt2, xtn are jointly normal for any n, any t1, t2 to tn. That is this one. The statistics of a normal process is completely determined in the terms of its mean and the autocorrelation. The mean is a function of t. The linear process is one example of the stochastic process. Normal process is a property of the stochastic process. Question 5 is about the strict sense stationary process. The process is said to be a strict sense stationary process if its statistic is not affected by a shift on the time axis. The condition of the SSS process should be this one. and this is very hard to satisfy. The sixth question is about white noise. The white noise means that with zero mean and impulse autocorrelation function. And the question 7 is the mean ergodic process. Xt is said to be mean ergodic process if it has this equation in mean square sense. The expect value of xt must be a constant, and the mean square sense means that this function should be equals to 0. For question 8 is martingale. A stochastic process xt is said to be a martingale if this one where s smaller than or equals to t. In probability theory, a martingale is a sequence over random variables for which at a particular time the conditional expectation of the next value in the sequence is equal to the present value, regardless of all pre or values.